difference between search and information retrieval. So usually people they search for a wide range of things on the internet in their daily lives. Like it can be either information, entertainment, shopping, communication, or something related to jobs, like job search, anything, right? So information searches it mainly covers topics like news or health, history, science. If you take entertainment searches, they cover music or videos, TV shows, movies, all type of entertainment categories which comes under this entertainment searches. Whereas if you take shopping searches, even a person can search for, he can perform online shopping or price comparison can be done, product reviews, he'll check reviews. So they those type of things comes under shopping searches. And communication searches, it includes email, instant messaging, or video conferencing. And job searches, as we all know, it mainly covers job postings or resume building, career advice, job search strategies, and all. So here, these are various applications where we are using this search in our daily life. So here, the field of computer science that is most involved with research and development for the search is information retrieval, which is very important. So here, this is just an example of search. So when you type something here in the search bar, so you can find all the links which are related to that search, right? That is the example of search. If you take this information retrieval, so why this information retrieval is important? Why it is important means, uh, see, as we all know, data is a big game now, right? Huge amount of data is generated on a daily basis. But this data is actually useless. We don't want all that data. So if there is no way to obtain and query the data, so out of in that huge amount of data, getting or retrieving the information which is required for us is a very difficult task, right? So if there is no way to obtain and query the data, information we collect is almost it's useless. So information retrieval systems, they are very important for making sense of data or for getting the data which is important for us. So without Google or any other search engines, it would be difficult to retrieve any information from the internet. So here we have text indexing and retrieval systems. They mainly index the data in data repositories and they allow the users to search against it, right? So users are able to query all the information that the administrator has decided to index with a single search. So whatever we want, that we are able to get it because of this information retrieval systems only. So the primary focus of this information retrieval, it is completely based on text and documents. Coming to dimensions of IR, so this information retrieval, it is not just about text or it's not about web search. It is more than that. So you can see people who are doing this IR work, they deal with different types of applications or different types of media or different types of search applications, or they deal with different types of tasks. So what are this media or application or different tasks? So here you can see that clearly, right? So the people this who are using or who are doing this IR, they work with different media. So here they deal with different type of content like text, images, video, scanned documents, audio, music, etc. And they even work with different types of search applications, right? So these are various search applications. And they can even work with different types of tasks like filtering, classification, question answering systems, etc. And these are some IR tasks. First one is ad hoc search. So ad hoc search or ad hoc retrieval problem. So that is mainly considered as a classical problem in information retrieval systems. So in ad hoc retrieval, user first he need to enter a query in natural language, and so that query describes the required information. So the query which is entered by the user. So that mainly represents what he want, right? So that is done in this ad hoc search. So whenever user types something, then the information retrieval system, it will return the output as a required documents that are related to the desired information. Say if I type something here in natural language, then this information retrieval system, it will provide documents, all the documents which are related to the query entered by the user. Now, it's a task of the user in order to scan these documents to find out the answer for this query. Or if you take a single document, for example, in that some pages they may be relevant, whereas some other remaining pages they are non-relevant too. So this is because of ad hoc retrieval approach. So that is we can consider that as a major drawback of ad hoc retrieval systems. And second one is filtering. So it mainly filters or identify relevant user profiles for a new document. When you search something, you may find multiple user profiles. Out of that, the task of this filtering is to find out only the relevant user profiles, and those profiles will be selected according to the document. And third one is classification. So in this IR task, it will identify relevant label for documents. And last one is question answering. So here it gives specific answer to a question instead of this ad hoc search. So instead of providing the documents, this question answering system, it will provide specific answer for a question.